Hey everyone, this is JimLiElevators, and today both of us have this mysterious box. So here we go. We're gonna unbox this little box and see what's inside. And here we go. Yes, I'm doing this one-handed. Okay. Here we go. And we got some bubble wrap. Let's cut it from here. Okay. And here we go. Product right here. Okay, so here's our final product, an Otis newer Lexan call button. And if you're wondering where this came from and who gave it to us, so it came from JimLiElevators. So big thank you to JimLiElevators for giving both me and Unveiling these call buttons. So I'll give you a video of where this came from.
Listen to this.
So that was the video provided by JimLiElevators. So if you're wondering where that call button came from, it came from 24 Greenway Plaza in Houston, Texas. So anyways, big thank you to JimLiElevators for giving me and Vancity this wonderful Otis Lexan call button. Thank you for watching, that's it.